In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Powered by Shopify text from both the password-protected page and the footer of your Shopify store. This is a common customization that can help your store appear more polished and professional, giving your brand the spotlight it deserves. Whether you're launching a new store or refining your current setup, removing this text can contribute to a cleaner aesthetic. To achieve this modification, we'll be working within the Shopify admin interface and editing some theme code. While this process is straightforward, we'll walk through each step carefully to ensure you feel confident and avoid any unintended changes. First, let's navigate to the Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, look for the Online Store option on the left sidebar. Click on it and then select Themes. This is where you can manage and customize your store's theme. Next, locate the Actions button next to your active theme, click on it, and select Edit Code from the drop-down menu. This will open the theme's code editor, where you can see all the files associated with your theme. We'll start by removing the text from the footer of your site. In the list of theme files, find and open footer.liquid. This file is typically located in the Sections folder, so be sure to expand that section if it's not immediately visible. Once the file is open, you need to use the Find function. This can be accessed using Ctrl+F on Windows or CMD+F on a Mac. In the search field, type in the code snippet, Shop powered by link. This is the line of code that generates the Powered by Shopify text. Simply delete this line of code, and that will remove the text from the footer of your website. Now, let's tackle the password-protected page. This part requires identifying either password.liquid or possibly password-footer.liquid. Depending on your theme's setup, you might also find it under the Sections folder as password-footer.liquid. Open the relevant file and search for the section where the Powered by code is implemented. This might appear as general.passwordpage.poweredbyshopify or through a translation key. Once located, simply remove this snippet of code as well. After you've made these changes, don't forget to save your work. You'll find the Save button in the top right corner of the code editor. It's always a great idea to thoroughly check your site after making code edits. So, take a moment to review both your password page and the footer section on your website. Make sure that the Powered by Shopify text is entirely removed and that everything else on your site appears to be functioning smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Shopify store by removing the Powered by Shopify text, contributing to a more unique and branded shopping experience. Remember, making small changes like these can significantly impact the perception of your store, helping your brand stand out. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions or for further assistance.